When you feel like quitting, remember all of those who said you'd fail. When you feel like giving up, remember why you started. When you feel like quitting, remember what you're doing it all for. When you feel like quitting, remember pain is temporary and greatness lasts forever. When you feel like quitting, remember that the pain you feel today will be replaced with the strength you need tomorrow. Remember that every ounce of pain you feel is building a stronger you.
Došli u novi video, danas ćemo pokazati trening i kako uraditi human flag iliti zastavu. Pa ostavite like na Facebook stranici, zapratite nas na Instagramu i stisnite subscribe.
I am the king, 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 king. I am the king, 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 king. I am the king, 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 king. I am the king, 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 king. I am the king, 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 king. Come on out, beat. I am the king, 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 king. Come on out, beat. I am the king, 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 king. Come on out, beat. I am the king, 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 king. Come on out, beat. I am the king and will not be. I am the king and king and will not be the king and will not. I am the king and king and will not be the king and will not. Switch.
Ovako, sad ću vam pokazati kako da uradite human flag iliti zastavu. Kako trebate ruke, točnije jednu ruku zaključati i kako pravilno je uraditi i kako nepravilno je raditi. Pa vidite. Ovako, znači, ova ruka mora ići dole, znači. I koliko se bacate naprijed, ruka se ne može zaključiti, znači morate se nazad bacati. Ruka se zaključava, znači to uraditi. I noge sve privući. Znači ne u stranu, ne naprijed, već nazad, znači i noge sve privući, da bi se ruke zaključale. Koliko vas klip svidio, ostavite like, subscribe, share, vidimo se idućeg klipa.